What's going on, everybody? Titan Pressure Washing here. Just wanted to show you what we got going on today. We had about 3,400 square feet of that was 3,400 square feet of concrete that was really bad, this driveway. And then we had all the gutters on this house. And then this roof is 8,400 square foot roof. So just trying to show you guys what we're up against today. But what we're doing is I perfected my sauce, my special sauce that we're spraying on here for soft wash. And I'll show you, this is what we're doing right now. It's a high wind, so I got my surfactant up, and it's fine for us to do that. It's not rolling off the roof. It's actually sticking really well. It's giving us extra dwell time. You can see it's, not rolling off the roof. It's hanging on there, it's clinging, it's giving extra long time, dwell time, and that's what you want. These flat tile roofs, it can be done several different ways. This is one of the best ways to do it. This house was a referral from that client right over there that's backing out. That guy's got like 7,000 square feet of concrete driveway that we do, plus his metal roof, and just doing it to it. We've got multiple different service companies out today, so we kind of make a plan of action and let them know where it's safe for them to be. And we kind of did things ahead of time so we could kind of clear space for them to work. It's always good to work with other services. This is a heating, HVAC company and electrical company that are here today besides us. So let me show you the grand scheme of this roof. Again, this is almost 8,500 square foot roof. We're over here in Palm City, and you can see what we haven't done so far. We're not doing the screen enclosure. They've got a travertine lanai that they're having problems with, and they think it's fallout from the roof. But really, I think it's a different situation. They have another company coming a couple hundred miles to do this, and they're charging them an exorbitant amount. And I think we can get that taken care of. But they've been coming out every, I think, quarterly to seal that travertine that's down there. That shouldn't be that way. So we're going to try to rectify that situation at a later date. We're also going to clean the cage at a later date. It's a 4,000 square foot full screen enclosure. But to show you a little bit of what I've done so far. So it's a multi-level 2-story. So these are rust stains from nails. Those won't come out. But just showing you, there's a roof down below as well. Got 2 trucks out today, just due to the weather. You can see how the thunderstorms are lining up. That's usually indicative of thunderstorm. This is the squall line right here, and this is where they form. That's why we're working with 2 trucks today. I don't think anything's going to happen until later. Yet again, we're over in Palm City. We got really good clients. I'll have to go through and take after photos. They've got some old cracks up here in the tiles that need to be taken care of, glued back together. Nothing too serious. You can see where I stopped and started, or where I left off and what I've got left. So this is be the garage area back here. So just showing you guys a little bit of my work here. Needed a little bit of a break anyway. But yeah, it's a lot of angles. They got a lot of plantings down below, so we tarped what we could. And then the rest of it, the guys are down doing plant treatment and everything too. So we're taking care of all that. And then I've got to get all this here, but be careful not to spray down onto the travertine below, because they say that it's affected by what we use up here on the roof, which is interesting to me. So we have to figure that situation out and help them out, because I mean they're spending a lot of money every couple of months just to have their travertine look nice. It shouldn't be that way. We'll get them all squared away. Roof's coming out really good. After I spray it, I'll come back and I'll neutralize the whole entire thing, and then I'll treat it. So just kind of what we got going on. 8,400 square foot roof and 3,400 square foot driveway. Got the freeway over there, I-95, and then the interstate. That's why it's all. And that's probably the main reason they've got all that debris coming off the highways blowing onto these roofs. You can see this barrel tile next to us. Look at that. That thing's nasty. I'll probably end up, oh, here's the wind. I'll probably end up getting quite a few of these homes in this neighborhood just because of our specialty and what we do. Doesn't look like that one has gutters at all. So that one will be a tarp special. We'll have to tarp that one. But there's some big homes here. Anyway, if you got a roof and it's dirty, maybe you're a neighbor and your stuff's dirty, you want to get it clean, make it look the right way, and have it done by professionals who are nationally trained and certified. Give Titan a call. We'll come out, we'll take care of you. From A to Z, you name it, we'll do it, and we'll do it the right way every single time. Until next time, everybody.
Why don't we call Titan Pressure Washing? They're the talk of the town. They'll wash and seal your home from the roof to the ground. Father gonna have his deck sparkle and sheen. Mama never seen a patio look so clean. We call you back, we show up at your office or your home. In fact, we act polite, we do it right. The job is done, you'll sleep at night. We're Titan Pressure Washing, Stuart, Florida. New pressure washing companies are popping up everywhere. Don't hire amateurs to pressure wash your home or business. To look the best, hire the best. With over 12 years of experience, Titan Pressure Washing of Stuart, Florida specializes in pressure washing, soft washing, and roof concrete and paver sealing services for both commercial and residential customers. Veteran owned and operated and fully insured. Our unique deep clean restores the natural color of your roof while avoiding damage caused by incorrect pressure, chemicals, and equipment. We go the extra step to also protect your landscaping. Have your property cleaned with professional commercial grade equipment and hot wash for deeper, longer results. Our sealing products are all green and can save homeowners thousands of dollars in just a few years. We clean and seal roofs, driveways, building exteriors, pool decks, sidewalks, parking lots, docks, decks, patios, and more. Call now for a free estimate, 772-245-0402, or visit TitanPW.com. Experience the Titan difference today.